Good morning, students. Students, this lesson is for class 4 for the subject of General Science, topic Materials, which is covered in chapter 8, Materials and Solutions, starting on page number 90 of your textbook, titled New Trends in Science, Evergreen Publications, and is being submitted to you on 18th of October 2021. Children, I hope through our previous chapter the term matter is clear to you. And here in this chapter we'll be discussing materials which are also matter. A substance that can be used for making or doing something is known as material. For example, cotton clothes are made from cotton. Jute ropes are made from jute. Leather purses are made from leather. A microwave glass is made from glass. Utensils are made from steel. And a gold ring is made from gold. Cotton, jute, leather, glass, utensils, gold, etc., which are used to make things, are known as materials. And students, these materials are very important for us as we get many useful products from these materials. Let us now discuss about soluble and insoluble substances with the help of an activity. Children, pause the lesson here for 5 minutes. Get ready with few things such as some salt, sugar, talcum powder, pencil shavings and refined oil in small bowls. 5 minutes break is over, students. I hope you all are ready with the things. Let us now start with the activity. Put 1 spoon of salt in a glass of water. Dissolve it by stirring. What you will observe? You'll observe that salt has dissolved fully in water. So, salt is a soluble material which is soluble in water. Similarly, put 1 spoon sugar and you will notice that sugar will also dissolve in water. So, children, the substances which dissolve in water are known as soluble substances. So, as we have seen, the salt and the sugar, they are soluble in water. So, these are the soluble substances. Let us now try dissolving other things such as talcum powder, pencil shavings, and refined oil. Now, children, you can see clearly particles of talcum powder, pencil shavings, and oil particles, they will be floating on the top. So, such substances are insoluble substances. So, here refined oil, the hair removed from your comb, the pencil shavings, and talcum powder, and even the sand particles. All these substances, they are insoluble substances as we can see them floating on the top. So, such substances are the insoluble substances. Children, after learning about soluble and insoluble substances, let us now understand what is a solution. As you have just seen, that substances such as common salt and sugar dissolve in water rapidly. The mixture formed by dissolving a soluble substance in water is known as solution. So, let us learn some common terms used in the formation of a solution. Number 1, solvent. Solvent is a liquid which dissolve other substances in it. For example, in a solution of salt in water, the solvent is water. Solute is a substance which dissolves in a liquid, as salt is solute in a solution of salt in water. Students, water is known as universal solvent as it can dissolve all kinds of solids, liquids or gases to little or more extent. Now the next term is unsaturated solution. A solution which has less amount of solute is known as unsaturated solution. For example, the solution which we had made by using salt and sugar as solute and water as solvent is an unsaturated solution. Now, the term is saturated solution. A solution which has large amount of solute is known as saturated solution. Now students, we'll take another short break of 3 minutes. You may pause the lesson here for 3 minutes. Get a jar of salt and a spoon along with the glass of water. We'll prepare a saturated solution. 3 minutes break is over, children. I hope all of you must have got the things done. So what we have to do here, take a spoon of common salt and dissolve it in water. This is an unsaturated solution. Now, to this solution, we'll keep on adding salt till no more salt dissolves. Here, the solution has become saturated. So, a solution will become saturated when no more solute can be dissolved in it. Such a solution contains extra amount of solute which cannot be dissolved and hence settle down at the bottom. Now we'll discuss the conditions which enhance means speed up the formation of a solution. So the very first thing is the solute and the solvent must be capable of mixing. Number 2, high temperature enhances the formation of a solution. Children, you might have observed that solute dissolves quickly in warm water as compared to cool water. The third condition is stirring helps in quick formation of the solution. And the fourth condition is solute should be in the form of a fine powder as it helps in the formation of solution quickly. So you might have observed that when we put sugar in milk and then stir it with spoon, sugar dissolves faster, and when we will not stir it, it will take time to get dissolved. Similarly, powdered sugar will dissolve faster as compared to sugar cubes. So for making an easy and quick solution, solute should be in the form of a fine powder. So children, here I am concluding the topic. Your home assignment questions for this week are as follows. So, first of all, do worksheet 1, page number 94 in your book only, and then write the definitions of the terms which we have discussed in class today. That is solution, solute, solvent, unsaturated solution and saturated solution. And these definitions are to be done in your notebook. Thank you, students.